Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create glowing eyes in After Effects. Creating glowing eyes in After Effects can add a dramatic or supernatural effect to your footage. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this effect. In the timeline panel, highlight your footage layer and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. This duplicate layer will be used for the glowing eyes effect. Now, choose the duplicated footage layer and use the ellipse tool to draw a mask around the eyes. Make sure the layer is selected while drawing the mask. If the eyes are not perfectly round, you can use the pen tool to create custom mask. You can adjust the mask feather and expression properties and the mask settings and the timeline to soften the edges and fit the mask perfectly around the eyes. With the mask layer selected, go to Effect, Stylize Glow, and the Effect Controls panel. Adjust the following glow settings. Glow threshold determines how much of the mask will glow. Lower values mean more of the mask area will glow. Glow radius controls the spread of the glow. Increase this to make the glow softer and more diffuse. Glow intensity controls the brightness of the glow. Increase this to make the glow more pronounced. Now, if you want the eyes to glow in a specific color, adjust the glow colors setting and the effect controls. You can choose between the original colors, A and B colors, and customize the glow to your desired hue by setting the color A and color B. Now, to add the blinking or flickering effect, or make it more dynamic, you can animate the opacity of the glowing layer. Choose the layer and press T to bring up the opacity property, then Alt left click on the time icon to reveal the expression. On the expression, paste the code, link in the description below. You can also adjust the blending mode of the glowing layer to better integrate with the original footage. Experiment with blending modes like screen, odd, or overlay. You can change the blending mode by clicking the mode drop-down and the timeline panel. Press spacebar to preview your composition. Ensure that the glow effect looks natural and follows the eyes throughout the clip. By following these steps, you can create a striking glowing eyes effect in After Effects, adding a supernatural or dramatic touch to your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.